Hi guys, welcome to Abby Sky, and today we are going to be playing Shark Bite. So let's just get into it. So right now we are in Shark Bite, and let's just wait for the game to start. Guys, something really cool about Shark Bite is when you get to the top, let's just get there. You see, you have to look for a wheelbarrow, like here. You go here, and then there's like a little pool thing that holds you, and then let's just climb up. Just like, oh. Try not to slip. Oh, oh, oh. And then you can just like slash E wave. There. Guys, you can get a whole bunch of actions like slash E dance. Flashy dance. And later on in the video I'll show you how to get these emotions. But now, if somebody would see me, they would see me right here. Wobble, dancing, I'm dancing, dancing. Okay. Oh boy. Okay, so let's just wait for the game to start. Okay, so now there is 50 seconds, so we're almost there. But now we are gonna go further. At least we'll try. Let's see if we're gonna be able to get to the top. Oh. Ah. Oh, guys, if you don't know the secret cave in Shark Bite, I will show you where to go. So, oh yeah, the cage. Ah, I'm the shark. I'm in the cage. Okay, well, let's go. There. Where? Oh, look. Oh, those survivors. I'm gonna hide behind the shark. Hiding behind the shark. Nobody will be able to find me. I'm getting eaten by the shark. Ah! I'm just gonna swim up. I hope I'm the shark. Okay. Well, I'm just gonna go on my paint jet ski. Maybe I'll be able to save people. Okay, so jump into the water. Oh, they might not be able to jump into the water. 3, 2. Oh, it's gonna jump. Let's go save people that are in the water. I'm gonna go find who can be in the water. I'm gonna follow the shark and see if he attacks. So, the shark is right there. Let's wait till he leaves. Yeah, I have to run. I'm gonna go save this girl. There, she's on. Nobody can die. Oh, look at. Oh boy, a lot of people already died. Oh boy, the shark's looking over there. I think he knows where he's going. Okay. Well, I'm not too much of a good driver. There's a boat here. I'm gonna go drop off that girl because I need to save more people. Actually, once my boat's full. Okay. My boat can actually go faster than the shark, but not if he does the speed. Oh, the shark left the game. Yay! 20 shark teeth! Victory! I feel proud I saved people. I feel very proud. I wish I could have saved that other person that died. Sadly, I couldn't. Wait, whatever that does. 2 sharks shall be chosen. Yay! I want to be the shark. Me. No, not me. Me. Okay, we're not the shark. So right now I'm gonna invite 2 people. This person and that person. There. I invited. Do you know what? I'm gonna invite this person and this person because those who don't join. Okay, it's only me on my boat. I don't want anybody to die. Let's go. I see the shark over there, though. Okay, that's the noob skin, like I have, because I have not changed. Okay. boy. Okay, so let's follow the shark. Where? Oh boy. Wait, is he after me? Yeah, he's after me. He's still alive. Don't move, don't move, don't move. But ah, oh boy, I'm gonna die. Gonna die. Let's get up. Oh boy. I'm almost up, I'm almost up. Yeah, I know. I'm trying to get up. Seriously, my arm's gone. It's hard for me to swim. Oh, I died. Well, guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. I hope you enjoyed. See you guys next time. Oh, and actually, before I forget, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. See you next time, guys. Okay, so